All right, guys, I'm gonna go over the homework for what section even is this? 11-5. If you didn't notice, here's your little cheat sheet over here, and I gave you the conversion on the last video, which is like the easiest conversion ever, 1,000, right? The only ones that are gonna be confusing is when you have decimals. How can you convert from milliliters to liters? Well, milliliters are small, so you're dividing by 1,000. What types of tools would you use? You need something that, okay, measuring cups, that's great. Here, I'm sorry, I'm shaking. Here are your answers to the top little section. And then down here, I kind of wrote on some of them. So you divide by 1,000. On number 13, remember when you divide by 1,000, that decimal's moving left 3 spots when you divide. That decimal moves right 3 spots when you multiply. So number 11 is like an example of that, where it started with a decimal on the inside and you're moving it to the right 3 times. If you would like for me to put a picture of these answers, I can, or you can kind of pause as I do this, or heck, I'll just back up completely. You can probably pause it right now, get all the answers that you might need, because I'm gonna go into the story problems. I literally went through all of these to make sure that I was ready for you. Carla's famous punch calls for 3 liters of mango juice. The only mango juice she can find is sold in 500 milliliter cartons. How many cartons would she need to buy? She would have to buy 6 cartons, and here's how you do that. You take 3 liters and convert it into milliliters, because you're only buying 500 milliliter cartons, and then you're just dividing by 500. So that would be 6. Number 25 over here, Bobby filled the jug with water. Each player gets 250 milliliters. How many players will get water? So it shows you with the picture that it's 5 liters, so you turn that into milliliters, and then you're just going to divide by 250, and you'll get 20 players. All right. Oh, I guess I skipped 24. I went to 25 first. Sorry. Carla likes 6 liters of punch, or makes, 6 liters of punch. She pours the punch into 800 milliliter bottles. Again, you're going to convert into milliliters and then divide by 800 to see how many 800s fit into 6,000, and it's 7. Because it says how many bottles can she fill. You'll still have a remainder there, but you can't fill the whole bottle, right? You can only fill half of it. This one down here, 1 cubic centimeter equals a milliliter. So that's what I wrote up at the top. To find the volume, you do 40 times 20 times 30, and you get 24,000. And remember, centimeters cubed equals milliliters, so 24,000 is your answer. And then liters, you just divide by 1,000. This one wasn't very fun. Terry's buying juice. He needs 3 liters. A half liter of juice costs $2.39, a 250. See, and a half a liter would be 500 milliliters. You see I wrote that underneath there? And then a 250 milliliter container of juice cost $1.69. So what should Terry buy so he can get 3 liters at the lowest cost? The 500 milliliter, you're gonna need, what, 3 of them to make a liter and a half? Yes. And the 250 milliliter one, you are gonna need more than 4, wouldn't you? What the heck? Half a liter container costs 2. 4 per liter. Oh, per liter. Okay, so they're figuring out per liter. Because, yeah, you're going to need 6 of the 250 milliliters to make the price. So I don't understand why they're multiplying by 2 and by 4, because you're going to need more than that. I don't really like their answer, I'm going to be real honest. The 239 you should multiply by 3 and get your answer, which I'm not sure what that is right now. And then the 250 you're going to multiply by 6, because 250 times 6 is a liter and a half, or I guess 1,500 milliliters. But they're telling you that the 6 half liters would make more sense. Huh? I'm going to have to look at that one. I'll get back to you. Let's go down here. The bird bath holds 4 liters of water. How many milliliters? Multiply by 1,000. And number 29. You're filling a 2-liter bottle with liquid from 80 milliliter containers. So you just take 2 liters, turn it into milliliters, and then you divide it by 80, because then you have milliliters divided by milliliters, and that'll tell you that you need 25. You'll get 25 containers. I'm going to dive into this one and put another video probably on about just number 27 if I find it worth it. If I don't, I maybe will put a little blurb or something underneath this video just telling you number 27 and here's the right answer or whatnot. Maybe I'm just not thinking right now. Who knows? It might have been my Bowman salad I just had. Hee hee hee. Have a good day.